you feeling Christians, both male and female? I hope with me you will sympathize and mourn the death of three noble heroes who were murdered cruelly all in their prime. It was in Manchester, in cruel England, where nothing but cruelty was ever found, where those three heroes, they were arrested and in cold iron firmly bound. On the 23rd day of November, it brought a scene of gladness to that English hall, for to see those martyrs walk on the scaffold to answer death on their fatal call. The judge arose and he spoke as follows: "Come tell me, Alan, what you've got to say, or why is death sentence passed upon you? You now must answer without delay." Young Alan arose and he spoke as follows: "I'll meet that sentence, if that for it be. I'm prepared to meet the God and justice. He awaits your lordship as well as me. I can swear today before God Almighty that I never fired at any man, but had I 9 lives, I'd freely give them to restore the rights of my native land. In history pages, in future ages, I hope our names will forever shine, and it will be that password all over Ireland. Remember Alan, Larkin and O'Brien.